Toyota just revealed the next generation 2026 RAV4 with changes that are transforming America's best-selling vehicle into something completely different from what you're used to. If you've been considering a RAV4 but worried it's too boring, too outdated, or lacks the technology you need, these updates are specifically designed to solve those problems. While most automakers are making tiny tweaks and calling them all new, Toyota is eliminating gas engines entirely, adding a 320 horsepower performance model, and introducing safety technology that no other RAV4 has ever had. Number 5. Hybrid-only strategy with next-generation powertrain. The 2026 generation is bringing a seismic shift by eliminating gas-only engines from the entire lineup. Every single RAV4 rolling off the assembly line will feature some form of electrification. And this isn't just about following environmental trends, it's about delivering the performance and efficiency that today's buyers actually need. The standard setup centers around a 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated inline-4 getting significant help from electric motors. Toyota is offering this powertrain in 2 configurations. With front-wheel drive, the system produces 226 horsepower, marking the first time Toyota is offering a front-wheel drive hybrid RAV4. The all-wheel drive version brings an additional motor to the rear axle, bumping total output to 236 horsepower. If you're tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear at the gas pump every week, the new powertrain addresses this head-on. The previous generation was already returning 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, which put it near the top of the segment. The new system is raising that benchmark even higher, with Toyota targeting over 40 miles per gallon combined. That's the kind of efficiency that transforms your monthly fuel budget. For anyone keeping their RAV4 for the typical 150,000 miles or more, that improvement translates to thousands of dollars staying in your pocket instead of going to oil companies. But Toyota isn't stopping with the standard hybrid. The plug-in hybrid variant is returning with substantial upgrades. The 6th generation PHEV setup is delivering up to 320 horsepower, making it the most powerful RAV4 that Toyota has ever produced. The battery pack has grown considerably, providing an estimated 50 miles of electric-only range compared to the previous 42 miles. Think about your daily routine. If your commute to work and back is under 50 miles, you could potentially drive all week without burning a single drop of gasoline. That's the reality this PHEV is offering. The PHEV is also addressing one of the biggest complaints from earlier plug-in hybrids: charging speed. Select trims are getting DC fast charging capability, allowing the battery to reach 80% in approximately 30 minutes. This transforms the plug-in RAV4 from a vehicle that requires overnight charging into something you can top up during a quick lunch stop. Number 4. Major interior upgrades. Anyone who's sat in a recent RAV4 knows the interior has been falling behind the competition. While rivals have been rolling out digital displays and premium materials, the outgoing RAV4's cabin has felt increasingly dated, with cheap-looking plastics and an infotainment system that belongs to a previous generation. The 2026 model is finally addressing these shortcomings with a comprehensive interior overhaul. The transformation starts with the driver's display. Every RAV4 is now getting a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a massive upgrade from the 7-inch unit that was standard on most previous models. This isn't just about size. The new cluster is putting navigation graphics directly in the driver's line of sight, reducing the need to glance away from the road. It's also displaying a wealth of vehicle information, from hybrid system status to detailed safety warnings. The center of the dashboard is receiving an equally dramatic upgrade. Base models are getting a 10.5-inch touchscreen, which was the upgrade option on the previous generation. Higher trims are stepping up to a sprawling 12.9-inch display that dominates the center stack. Toyota's latest infotainment software is running on these screens, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard equipment. The system is responding faster to inputs and organizing information more intuitively than the previous interface. We've all fumbled around, trying to find a place for our phones, keys, and wallet while driving. The new console layout is solving this everyday frustration with genuine intelligence. A clever 2-level design is providing dedicated spots for multiple smartphones without sacrificing cup holder space or general storage. There's a wireless charging pad, plus additional slots for devices that need to be plugged in. The front passenger is getting a built-in tray on the dashboard, perfect for storing wallets or smaller items. Everything has a home, and you're not spending the first 5 minutes of every drive reorganizing your stuff. One particularly ingenious feature is the center console's dual-hinged compartment. It's opening from both the driver and passenger sides, and the lid can be flipped over to create a small textured table surface. It sounds gimmicky until you realize how useful it is for eating on the go. go or working on a laptop during a break. Materials quality is taking a noticeable step forward as well. The limited trim is featuring Toyota's Softex faux leather upholstery that's extending to the front door panels, creating a more refined atmosphere. The woodland trim is adding an embossed pattern to its seats, along with rubber floor mats and bright orange trim on the steering wheel, and center console that reinforces its rugged character. Number 3. New safety systems. The 2026 model becomes the first Toyota to feature the all-new Safety Sense 4.0 suite, a substantial leap over the 2.5 version. An upgraded forward-facing camera with higher resolution and wider angles works with an improved radar sensor, providing longer and wider field of view. Picture this: you're approaching an intersection on a green light when a pedestrian suddenly steps into the crosswalk from your blind spot. The pre-collision system with enhanced detection identifies that threat faster, responding more quickly when collision seems imminent. Intersection collision mitigation joins the suite, targeting one of the most dangerous driving situations. The system now detects both lane markings and road edges with enhanced precision, particularly valuable on poorly marked roads or in construction zones. Lane keeping assist works more smoothly, making subtle steering corrections that feel natural. If you've used adaptive cruise control on highway drives, you know the frustration when the system brakes too aggressively, making passengers uncomfortable. The upgraded system eliminates that annoyance with smoother acceleration and braking, maintaining appropriate following distances more consistently, and making highway cruising genuinely relaxing. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams are standard across the lineup. Toyota is introducing proactive driving assist, helping with braking and steering in challenging situations. The new Arene software platform opens the door for over-the-air updates that will expand safety capabilities long after purchase. Number 2. New, more aggressive look. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 addresses criticism of bland appearance with bold new design leaning heavily into SUV aesthetics. Toyota abandons the sleeker profile for boxier proportions, a higher beltline, and straighter character lines, giving substantial road presence. The front fascia gets a complete redesign. Split headlights create a modern appearance, while grille design varies by variant. Core models feature a clean, paint-matched grille. Sport variants step up with a larger, aggressive black grille and oversized air intakes. The Woodland takes a different approach with a squarer grille and Rigid Industries LED fog lights. The rear receives dramatic changes with sleek horizontal LED taillights accented by vertical light elements. RAV4 is boldly spelled out across the tailgate, while the wheelbase remains 105.9 inches. The greenhouse has been pulled upward, creating larger windows and bigger rear quarter windows that improve visibility. The Woodland stands 0.8 inches higher off the ground with standard roof rails and crossbars. The GR Sport features large 20-inch wheels with summer tires, a rear spoiler, and contrasting black roof that screams performance. Number 1. High-Performance GR Sport. The GR Sport represents Toyota's first genuinely sporty version of its best-selling crossover, backing up aggressive styling with meaningful mechanical upgrades. For years, RAV4 buyers wanting excitement had to look elsewhere. The GR Sport changes that entirely. Available exclusively with the plug-in hybrid setup, it delivers 320 horsepower and instant torque from electric motors, transforming the driving experience. 0 to 60 times drop into genuine sports car territory. The GR Sport gets chassis hardware specifically tuned by Toyota Gazoo Racing, the same division developing the company's race cars. The suspension receives GR-specific calibrations, reducing body roll and improving handling response. When navigating curvy mountain roads or merging aggressively, the difference is immediately apparent. Larger brakes with red calipers provide stronger stopping power and better fade resistance. Stickier summer tires on 20-inch wheels provide substantially more grip than all-season rubber. The steering gets unique tuning, providing more feedback and weightier feel. Inside, the GR Sport features suited sport seats with moderate bolstering and GR logos on headrests and steering wheel. Red stitching reinforces the performance theme. The exterior adds unique fascia elements, additional black trim, and exclusive badging. The 2026 RAV4 proves Toyota isn't content to rest on its bestseller status. By going all in on hybrid powertrains with over 40 miles per gallon combined, overhauling the interior with 12.3-inch displays and genuine quality materials, pioneering Safety Sense 4.0 technology, adopting aggressive SUV styling that finally gives the RAV4 real presence, and introducing a 320 horsepower GR Sport that makes performance a genuine part of the equation, Toyota is addressing every criticism aimed at this crossover for years. The compact SUV segment is hotter than ever, and the RAV4 certainly isn't the only model that came with bold changes for this year. If you're leaning towards straightforward practicality and superior drivetrain, you definitely want to check out our video about things that make the 2026 Subaru Forester so special. It's now available also as a hybrid, while the mix of excellent all-wheel drive system and loads of advanced safety systems make it an absolute no-brainer for families.